Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. October 11, Tuesday, our market closed lower today, ended flat, down 10.11 points or down 0.16% to close at 6,253.96. Value turnover is at 5.4 billion pesos. So late selling push our market lower, no? So investors also traded cautiously, especially with what's going on right now sa Israel and Ukraine, no? So it's fortunate and unfortunate na yun nga, no, market is not affected at all, no? So buti na lang, no? And that's also a good sign, no? Ibig sabihin hindi na tayo affected, especially with these issues, no? Let's just monitor what will be BSP's next move this November, which is a very they already telegraphed their move, which is we're already expecting a potential 25 basis point rate hike. Anyway, about this Power's aggressive buyback, no? It's pushing AP to 37 pesos. Now, of course, they're buying back what they sold to the Japanese firm last year, no? So remember, they sold close to 26% stake to Jera, no? So buying back 30 pesos, 34, 35 is definitely a good move, no? So sila lang talaga yung very aggressive in buying back. Normally, mga buyback program, normally, tinitipid-tipid yan. It's their support program just in case price goes down. But sila naman, let's buy everything in the board, no? Especially when Aboitiz Power was removed from the index, it dropped 30 pesos, no? What else, no? Meralco will be raising rate by 0.4201 per kilowatt hour for October, FYI lang, no? So SM Prime will be opening its new SM Mall in Laguna, SM Center San Pedro, no? So of course, market is waiting for the SM rate also, which they're planning to do by next year. Hopefully market conditions improve, no? So they don't need the money right now, diba? In fact, they just waited for everyone to list. Nauna A rate, sumunod ang Villar, pati C rate, and other rates, no? And of course, that's how SM moves, no? They observe what the competitors are doing, no? And of course, di sila papatalo dyan, no? RCR, PhilRT, no? And if they want to list, it will be the biggest rate of them all, no? They don't need the money. In fact, they're the richest family in the Philippines. By the way, CNPF and Pizza honored for the good corporate governance at the 23rd Golden Arrow Awards, FYI. Sa dito naman, there's also reshuffling, no? So Ernesto Alberto will be replacing Dennis Uy as CEO of Dito Telecom, no? Which is the subsidiary ng Dito CME. So yung si Donald Lim naman ng Dito Telecom was appointed as its president, no? So they're having some reorganization after getting a long-term loan and anchor investor, at least to help solve their capex issues. So what else? Si Ayon surges, no, as they announce some investor relations program, no? Natuwa sila doon, no? So the role of investor relations is to translate performance into story, no? It's all about storytelling, and natuwa na sila doon, no, sa ganung disclosure. DMC also declared some cash dividends, special dividends at around 0.72 centavos. Normally magkakasunod yan, no? Semirara then DMC, no? So of course, market already anticipated that news. Yun nga, no, I find it funny that people are still buying Semirara right now, or even the past few days. In fact, the past few weeks, nadami ng pumosisyon yan. From 28 pesos, it rallied to 35 pesos. They're already factoring that 3 pesos and 50 centavos special dividend, no? So at 7 pesos 2023 net income, I think Semirara already gave around 20% cash dividend yield, you know. Speaking of the MCI, you know, what's intriguing right now is in the news na yun nga, the mother of Maggie Wilson, ex-wife of Kwon Soon Hee, was charged for carnapping. No? Yan yung mas juicy na news. No? Anyway, Double Dragon also has commenced operations in Singapore. No? So they already established another office there for Hotel 101, at least central business district in Singapore, you know, regional hub. KPPI also, by the way, no, is aiming to acquire new properties this second half of the year or by first quarter next year, FYI. No? Si Alter also has signed a lease contract with Rizal government for a 100 megawatt onshore wind project. No? They're also currently doing some restructuring. No? Globe, by the way, aims to explore different ways to mitigate the impact brought by climate change by using innovative technologies. No? So anyway, our passcode for today is a special dividend. So it's almost it's fourth quarter of 2023, no, 2023. No, so we're just waiting for the third quarter earnings of some names. By the way, no, Manila Water, by the way, AC or at least the Ayalas is streaming their position there, no. So right now it's already owned by Enrique Razon. Siya naman talaga, it looks like by on paper, Manny Villar is the richest Filipino, but si Razon talaga yung, di ba, keep buying left and right, no? So it's now owned by Enrique Razon, and using the buyback program ng Manila Water, they were able to purchase at least 3 AC's stake in Manila Water. Of course, AC is also diversifying from highly regulated business. They started selling the expressway to Manny Villar, no, MCX. So it's their plan is to really raise money close to 50 billion pesos. Oh, that's a target. So the Ayalas was able to raise around 5 billion pesos from this transaction. Oh, so cash rich talaga si Enrique Razon. Oh. So yun lang naman, no? Again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.